Now, when I heard about this Toastmasters Club exclusively for chartered accountants, I was really happy because I know many of the people are here for the last 10 years in this club, which might have given you enough and more experience in communication, leadership, all of the skills which is actually required to be in this world today. But let me tell you something. I had been working since 1989, just after my college, and it's almost 31 years now. I'd come through many organizations. We come across excellent chartered accountants who are really good in the financial side. But there is something which is lacking with them is that eventually maybe the communication or the leadership, because management of the company, then only the companies can thrive properly. So when I heard that there is a Toastmasters Club for chartered accountants specifically, it is nothing but very exciting. And I am sure that this is going to help not only the members, but the family members also.